Good morning, students. I would like to start my video with a simple quotation. Life is simple. Are you happy? Yes? Then keep going. If no, then change something which is wrong in your life. Then you can lead a very happy and beautiful and wonderful life. Okay, my dear students? Okay. Let's learn about conjunctions. A conjunction connects words or group of words or short sentences. A conjunction connects means joins words or group of words or short sentences. Okay? The words and, but, or, because and if are conjunctions or connecting words. So these are the connecting words. Okay, and, but, or, because, if. Okay, these are the connecting words. So these are called conjunctional words. Remember to add a comma before the conjunction when you connect sentences. So what should you remember? You have to remember to add a comma before the conjunction when you connect the sentences. Okay? Next, Nishi was happy because she won the painting contest. So because is used for reason. So for what reason she was happy? She was happy for winning the painting contest. Contest means competition. Okay, so because is used for reason. See here, we use because to explain the cause or reason of something. We explain the reason of something. We explain the cause of something. When we explain the reason or cause of something, we use because. Okay? We use because to explain the cause or reason of something. Next, Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early. Nice, no? So early to rise and early to go to bed is very important to get a good health. Okay, nice. Next, we use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. So till now we used because. Okay, because is used for reason, for cause, isn't it? Now we are going to the next one, but. But is used to show difference or to show the opposite idea. I want to go to play, but I am sick. This boy wants to go and play outside with his friends, but he couldn't go. Why? He is sick. Okay, he wants to do something, but he is unable to do that thing. Okay, then we use but. Okay, we use and to combine, means to join similar ideas. Similar means same ideas or opinions, or to add information. Okay, we use and to join same ideas or opinions or to add information. Okay, we use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. Okay, fair means we don't know, it's like an exhibition. So added information. So when we are adding some more information to the basic information, then we have to use and. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair, zoo. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. Or is used for choice, for two or more options. What would you prefer, an ice cream or a chocolate? Okay, which one would you like to prefer? Okay, you prefer whether ice cream or chocolate. Next, we use if when there is a condition. Okay, when there is a condition, when there is a rule, we use if. If it is sunny tomorrow, we can go to the zoo. So condition means if it doesn't rain tomorrow, if there is sun, then we can go to the zoo. That is the condition. If you work hard, you will succeed in life. So here see, the sister or mother is telling the child, so if you work hard, if you do this work, then you will be successful in your life. If you don't work hard, you won't get success at all. See all these sentences by using the conjunctions. The dog is a faithful and intelligent animal. So how are we? We are human beings. When the dog is faithful, we should be more faithful. And when the dog is itself an intelligent animal, then we are human beings. How much brain we have, how much knowledge and wisdom we have. So we should be more intelligent to do good things, right things at a perfect time. Okay, the dog is. So we move on to the next one. I want to go to play, but I am sick. Okay, previously we saw the picture, no? So that boy wants to go to play outside, but he is unable to go because he is sick. Is it Thursday or Friday, or is it choice? Okay, is it Thursday or Friday? Next, Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early. We saw all these sentences in the previous pictures, isn't it? If you work hard, you will succeed in life. You have to follow this one. Okay, and you have to follow Annie also. Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early. You have to follow this in order to have a good health. Okay, late sleep will leads to bad health, spoils your health. Late sleep, okay, leads to bad health. And if you work hard, you will succeed in life. This is true. So next we go to we know that there are three types of conjunctions. Okay, how many conjunctions are there? There are three types of conjunctions. One is coordinating conjunction, second one is subordinating conjunction, and the third one is correlative conjunction. Okay, coordinating conjunctions. Okay, there are 7 coordinating conjunctions. They give equal importance to the words or sentences they connect. Okay, these are the 7 words. Okay, F is for A is for and, N is for not, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for at, S is for so. So totally we have taken the first letter from all these words. So we got a good word, fan boys. Okay, so you have to remember coordinating conjunctions means fan boys. These fan boys words connect words or sentences. Okay, see here, parachute, fan boys. F is for A is for and, N is for not, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for at, S is for so. All first letters are taken in order to remember. Well, this is the technique, and you have to remember whenever your madam say coordinating conjunctions means you have to tell fan boys. Okay, nice. See here, fan boys, coordinating conjunctions, fan boys. For is used because. Okay, for means because. I have to find a new job, for I am unemployed. Unemployed means no job. Okay, so he is not having any job, so he wants to find, okay, because he wants to find a new job. So for is used for reason or because. And means adding to something, in addition to. I have 1 dog and 3 love birds. Okay, he has 1 dog and also he has additionally 3 love birds. Okay, nor means not, simply not. Nor means simply not. Remember this. Neither Mark nor Mary were at school yesterday. Means no one is there. Okay, neither means no. Nor means no. You can take no or not. Okay, neither Mark and Mary were not in the school yesterday. They were not there at the school yesterday. Neither nor means no, negative meaning. But means however. I got to work on Sundays, but I don't go to work on Saturday. Okay, so he works on Sundays, he don't want to go to work on Saturdays. It's his choice. Or means choice, either. Or means either, means you have to take choice. Does Clark have any brothers or sisters? Okay, so here someone is asking Clark a question. Does he have any brothers or sisters? It means equally but. It means equally but. I really wanted my son to study at university, yet he left the school. Okay, he wants his son to study in the university, but his son is not interested in studies, so he left his studies in the school itself. That is the meaning of yet. So means therefore. My daughter is very smart, so everybody likes her. Okay, means the outcome we get. Okay, his daughter is very smart, so everybody likes her. His father is appreciating his daughter. Okay, so fanboys. Did you understand fanboys? Yes, coordinating conjunctions means fanboys. F is for fur, A is for N is for not, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for at, S is for so. Fanboys. Okay. So with this we complete the coordinating conjunctions. Okay. Till now you heard about coordinating conjunctions. What is the second one in conjunctions? Subordinating conjunctions. Okay. What are subordinating conjunctions? What do subordinating conjunctions do? They join dependent clauses to independent ones. Once again, they join dependent clauses to independent ones. First one, SC means subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause plus independent clause. Second one, you will get independent clause first or dependent clause first. Okay, you may get subordinate conjunction first or you may get subordinate conjunction in the middle. In the first sentence you got a subordinate conjunction in the beginning of the sentence, next dependent clause plus independent clause. In the second sentence you get independent clause first plus subordinate conjunction plus dependent clause. You will get sentences like this. See, and some of the subordinate conjunctions are categorized into three categories. Okay, four categories. What are they? First one shows time and place. So what are the subordinate conjunctions? Show time and place: after, before, when, since, till, until, as soon as, while, once, whenever, where, wherever. So some of the subordinate conjunction shows cause or reason, as, because, since, so that, now that, as if, as thought, in order, that, lest. And third one is concession or contrast subordinate conjunctions: though, although, even though, whereas. Okay, and the last but not the least, fourth one is condition or comparison subordinating conjunctions: while, if, unless, than, whether, as much as, whereas. Okay, now see conjunction definition, example sentences. Conjunction, subordinate, all these comes under subordinate conjunctions. Okay, because, so in definition you see because is used to show reason. Okay, she usually eats at home because she likes cooking. She likes cooking, that's why she cooks very nicely at home, and she eats at home only. That is the reason for eating at home. Although is used to show two opposite statements. Although is used to show two opposite statements, means one is positive statement and the other one is negative statements. Otherwise one is a negative statement, the other one is positive statement, like that. Although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. Okay. Although he speaks rare, he says meaningful words. Next, third one. Whereas. Whereas is used to show contrast, means opposite thing. She is very funny, whereas he is boring. Okay, so here maybe we think these two are wife and husband. Wife is very funny, whereas the husband is very boring. So they are very opposite in their nature. Whereas is used to show the opposite nature. But is used to join two ideas that are opposites. These but also used to join ideas that are opposite ideas. Okay, it joins opposite ideas. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Okay, yeah, that person is very hungry, but nothing is there in the fridge to eat. Okay, opposite ideas. Besides means in addition to. Also, it is a preposition. She speaks 3 languages besides Spanish. Means she knows 3 languages along with Spanish. She knows Spanish also. She speaks Spanish also along with those 3 languages. Okay, she speaks 3 languages addition to Spanish. Okay. Unlike means different from. Not similar to means different. Jack is completely unlike his father. Unlike means different. So Jack is completely different from his father. He is not looking like his father. Therefore is used to show the result or effect of an action. Result or effect of an action. She came first, therefore she got a good seat. Okay, result. So she came first. Okay, so what is the result? Then she got a good seat. Despite is used to introduce a fact that is in sharp contrast with another fact. So entirely opposite with another fact. Despite all her faults, everybody likes him. Even though he did many mistakes, all people like him. Okay, that is entirely different. Provided means if or only if. They can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. Okay, means if only it's their choice. Okay, if they want to listen to music, they should not disturb anybody. Okay, if they are willing for this, they can listen to music. Okay, unless means except on the condition that. So condition, there will be a condition. Okay, if you do this condition, then you will get that one. You don't need to go unless you want to. Okay, if it is raining outside, you don't need to go out if it is urgent, unless it is urgent, like that. Since is used to show result. Since is used to show result. Since I see you, I am better. Okay, when you see your friends who studies well, you think who studies well, then you think that my friend is better than me, like that. Since I see you, I am better. See here concession examples. Though it was raining, she went out. Though is here SA means subordinate conjunction. Okay, it was raining is dependent clause. Dependent clause means which gives full meaning. Okay, it was raining means it's raining. She went out. She went out also, we are getting full meaning. Independent. She went out. Okay, why did she go out? Okay, we don't know the reason. It's an incomplete meaning. So it has to dependent on this is the concession examples. Though it was raining, she went out. So though is the subordinate conjunction here, plus it was raining. Dependent clause means it depends on the other clause. She went out. She went out is the independent clause. Okay, independent clause is the sentence which gives full meaning. Okay, whereas dependent clause gives the half meaning. Okay, so this dependent clause should depend on independent clause. Okay, then only we get the full meaning of the sentence by using subordinate conjunction. Though it was raining, she went out. Okay, so we can use subordinate conjunction though in the beginning of the sentence. Next one, he lives in a small house even though he is a millionaire. Okay, he lives in a small house is an independent clause, means it gives perfect meaning to us. We are getting meaning. He lives in a small house. Even though is a subordinate conjunction. We can use subordinate conjunction either in the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. Okay, and even though he is a millionaire. Okay, dependent clause. He is a millionaire means he had done something. Okay, something is there about him. We should know that also. That's why that is an dependent clause. He lives in a small house even though he is a millionaire. So here he lives in a small house is an independent clause, plus even though he is a subordinate conjunction, plus he is a millionaire is a dependent clause. Okay. Next, since we have got, this is the reason. Okay, in reason we got this example. Since we have got a few minutes to wait for the train, let's have a cup of coffee. Since is a subordinate conjunction, plus we have got a few minutes to wait for the train. Dependent clause means we are getting full meaning there. And incomplete meaning there. Sorry, incomplete meaning. Let's have a cup of coffee. So here we are getting full meaning. Let's have a cup of coffee means we are getting full meaning. That is the independent clause. So since we have got a few minutes to wait for the train, means they are waiting for the train. Okay, they have something to do after that. So incomplete sentence. So that is the independent clause. Okay, let's have a cup of coffee is this sentence is giving full meaning. That is an independent clause. I love Van Gogh's art because he uses colors so brilliantly. Okay, I love Van Gogh's art is giving full meaning. That's why it is an independent clause. Plus because is subordinate conjunction, plus he uses colors so brilliantly. He uses color so brilliantly. For what he uses color so brilliantly? Okay, we don't get full meaning here. It is an incomplete meaning. So that is a dependent clause. It depends on the independent clause. If you want to know the complete meaning, you have to depend on the independent clause. Okay. So he took a picture so that he could remember the house again. Okay, so that is the subordinate conjunction. He took a picture. Okay, independent clause. He could remember the house again. Okay, dependent clause. Next, while. So you can put the dependent clause at the start or at the end of the sentence. While I was in college, my younger sister was in high school. Okay, so while he was studying in college, his younger sister was in high school. My younger sister was in high school while I was in college. You can use this while subordinate conjunction in the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. Okay. If is a subordinate conjunction. If it rains, I might get wet. If it rains, I might get wet. It's a conditional thing. Okay. Subordinate conjunction showing cause. Since. I'll go walking since the school is nearby. So I'll go by walk since it shows the cause. Okay, that's why their school is very nearby. That's why they are going by walk. Next, I survived the shipwreck although I lost all my luggage. So I survived the shipwreck. So the sea ship is wrecking in the sea, means sinking in the sea. Shipwreck means although I lost all my luggage. Okay, he lost all his luggage in the ship, but he was survived. So although is used for opposite contrast situations. I survived the shipwreck as I am Aquaman. Okay, he is boasting himself. Okay, he survived shipwreck as he was an Aquaman, as is used. Although and as are used in the middle of the sentence. These although and as are subordinate conjunctions. The seals sing mournful songs at sunset because they fear the night. So because is the subordinate conjunction here. Seals. Okay, you see these sea animals near the sea. Okay, the seals sing mournful songs, means sad songs. At what time? At sunset. Okay, evening time. Because why do they sing sad songs at evening? Because they fear the night. Okay, because they are afraid of night. So the seal sings mournful songs at sunset because they fear the night. Because is the subordinate conjunction. Aliens prefer dabbing when there is a full moon. Dabbing means dancing or entertaining themselves. So aliens prefer dabbing. When is the subordinate conjunction? When there is a full moon. Okay. And the aliens prefer dabbing is the independent clause. When subordinate conjunction, when there is a full moon, is a dependent clause. The cow who let me win the staring contest is a master hypnotist. Okay, who is the subordinating conjunction? Okay, this cow is telling, thinking in itself, who let me win the staring contest? The master hypnotist. Okay, he is a master hypnotist. The cow is telling like this. Who is the subordinate conjunction? So all these are the subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are conjunctions that are used at the beginning of subordinate clauses, or you can use in the middle of the clauses. Although means in spite of the fact. Although it was raining, I ran home. Okay, after show subsequently to the time when. So all these are already explained you. You can go through this in detail. Okay, and these are the subordinate conjunctions worksheet. You can do this as assignment. Okay, thank you. Next we are moving on to the correlative conjunctions. Okay, as we all know that there are three kinds of conjunctions. First one is coordinating conjunction, second one is subordinating conjunction, and the third one is correlative conjunction. Okay, so correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions join words, phrases and clauses. They come in pairs and each pair works as a team. The correlative conjunctions are both and, they are like twins. Okay, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or. So they both come in pair in a sentence like twins. Both musicians and athletes must train for long hours. So here these both and these pair words are connecting musicians and athletes. Connects two words. What are those two words? Musicians and athletes. Okay, so both musicians and athletes must train for long hours. Okay, so these are connecting two words. We searched not only behind the garage but also under the apple tree. Here not only but also are connecting two phrases. Phrases means which gives incomplete meaning. Dependent clause. Okay. So we search not only behind the garage. Garage means where the cars are washed. Okay. And but also under the apple tree. So not only but also are used to connect two phrases. Either you patch the tire or buy a new one. So here or is connecting two clauses. Okay, clauses. Either you patch the tire or buy a new. Either you do this or do that. Here choice. Neither mom nor dad like the backpack I have chosen. They think it's ugly. Okay. One child has chosen one backpack to go to school, but his mother and his father didn't like that bag that she is chosen. They thought that that bag is ugly. So neither means no, his mom and dad are not interested in that bag. So neither nor means no, not. Negative meaning, which comes negative meaning. Neither mom nor dad like the backpack I have chosen. They think it's ugly. We are shopping not only for bags but also for shoes, clothes, and stationaries. Okay, they are shopping not only for bags. Okay, they went for shopping not only to buy bags but also they want to buy some shoes, clothes, and stationaries. Additionally, they want to do some more shopping also. That's why when we wanted to do something more, okay, then we use not only but also. We are shopping not only for bags but also for shoes, clothes, and stationaries. So whether she shops in bulk or buys items on sale, Mummy always tries to get a bargain. Okay, here choice. Whether she shops in bulk means more in bulk, or choice. She buys items on sale. If she wants to buy in wholesale market, she will go and buy shops in bulk. If she doesn't want to go to wholesale market, she will go and buy things on sale. Mummy always, here his child is telling, mummy always tries to get a bargain. Okay, here choice, whether she do this or do that, whether she shops in bulk or buys items on sale. Mummy always tries to get a bargain. Both mom and Jess are unhappy with my indecisiveness. So indecisiveness means unable to take decision. Okay, so here both mom and Jess. Okay, both and are the connecting words. Okay, here these words are connecting the other word and the sentences. Okay, connecting two words, mom and Jess. They are very unhappy with this boy because of his indecisiveness. See the correlative conjunctions. The correlative conjunctions join similar words, means same words which give same meanings. They are always used in pairs. Okay, these words are different. These two words are different, but they give same meaning, and they always work in pairs. Okay, both and she played both hockey and basketball when she was a student. Okay, either or. I will eat either carrots or peas for dinner. Choice. Neither nor. Natalia likes neither milk nor cream cake. Means she doesn't like anything. Whether or. Do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? Means they have to take a choice which one they wanted to take. Not only but also. Not only will they paint the outside of the house but also the inside. Okay. So they have to do both the works. Not only this and but also that. Scarcely had she finished reading when she fell asleep. Okay, when she finished reading, she is still reading. She hasn't finished. She fell asleep. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. Means after entering the room, stepping into the room, he saw a snake immediately. Then we use no sooner than. I think you have understood all these correlative conjunctions very well. Okay, you practice them nicely. So here you have to find out the correlative conjunctions. Okay, and here first you do this one, and next you have answers also. You go through this answer after completing that worksheet. And all these are the correlative worksheets. Okay, you go through these and fill up the worksheets. Okay, this is the homework for you. Find out the correlative conjunctions. Okay, circle the correlative conjunctions. Here see, basketball players need both ability and spirit. So you have to find out the correlative conjunctions and you have to circle it. See here, and using correlative conjunctions you have to write down sentences. Okay, thank you my dear students. Bye.